How's it going, guys? Red here with Red Knows How, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can use your old Xbox One controllers on a Xbox Series S or X, as opposed to just the new Xbox Series X or S controllers. So like if you have any of these old controllers laying around and you're wondering if you can use them, you absolutely can. All you have to do is just, this is an old Xbox One controller that I have around, just in case something happens to this new controller. And so basically what you're going to do is, obviously you're going to want to make sure that you got batteries in it and that the power's on. But so you're going to power this on, and I've already done this, so it should go ahead and connect, yeah, just like that. And as you can see, it does work on the screen. As you can see, it does work with the Xbox Series X or S. But basically what you are going to want to do is you are going to want to, if it hasn't already paired, which I have, you're going to hold this button down and you're going to hold this button down on the front of your Xbox. You're just going to hold those down and it should start to blink like that. And like I said, I've already done this, and it should blink a couple times and then it should just turn on solid like that. All right, and once you're done with that, you are free to use this controller on your Xbox Series S or X. Like I said, it will work the exact same as you can see here. Just play some gameplay with it, but as you can see here, it does work the exact same. So as you can see, guys, there is no lag. It works the exact same. So you are able to use Xbox One controllers on Xbox Series S or X. If this was helpful, I hope it was helpful. If it was, I hope I earned your like and your subscription. Yeah, just remember, if you don't know how, Red knows how.